Cordless electric bottle opener removes the cork in seconds. Opens up to 30 bottles on a single charge, 6-8 hours, simple push-button operation. Foil cutter for easily removing seals, comfortable soft grip handle. Sleek, sophisticated design, recharging base included, all approved for 110 to 120 voltage. Celebrate special moments in sophisticated style. Ideal for holidays and entertaining, the Oster cordless rechargeable wine opener makes it easy to start parties large and small in sophisticated style. Designed to fit all traditional wine bottles, this cordless, ergonomically designed opener delivers portable convenience and effortless performance. It works with both natural and synthetic corks. The included foil cutter removes seals in no time, and opens bottles in seconds. It's a great gift for the wine lovers on your list. Top reviews from the United States. It works well, bought on a whim. It's plastic. But it's good plastic. Appears sturdy enough. The charging base and wall charger are normal. I already have too many of them. A USB-C charge port might have been better. I bought this during a sales event on a whim. NY Times Wirecutter recommended it because of the pricing, $17, and quality. But the charger is now in a drawer and we'll see how long the battery lasts. Very simple to use and, so far, it has performed very well. A storage slot for the foil cutter is handy. Because fewer and fewer affordable wines come with a cork, the wisdom of spending even this small amount on this product seems questionable. But it is truly easier than any of my manual wine openers.